Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a super cute Christmas tree doll ornament animation using PixVerse. This effect will make it look like you are hanging a tiny doll version of yourself onto a Christmas tree. It's perfect for holiday content. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use either the websites on your browser or the PixVerse app like this. And then next, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give free daily credit so you can generate this effect without paying anything. And then next, once you're inside in the PixVerse, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it, and then next just tap on the search bar and then just search for the tree doll like this. This one, just tap on it. Like this is the effect that will transform your photo into a fun holiday animations where a miniature doll versions of you becomes a Christmas ornament like this. And then next just simply tap on use template and then just search and then next just upload or choose the photo that you want to use. You can choose a selfie or maybe portrait or any clear photo of yourself like this. And then next just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your Christmas animations is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, you'll see a super adorable scene where a tiny doll version of you becomes a Christmas tree ornament like this. The animation show you your character gently towards your doll versions surrounded by festive lights, decorations, and cozy holiday vibes like this. It looks magical, cute, and perfect for social media posts. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.